So guys, I was basically waiting for it. So I would suggest for all those mothers, guys, if it is that you're pregnant, just catch up your hair, enjoy your baby hair, people, because it might not last. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha, and today guys I'm going to be talking to you guys about postpartum hair loss, postpartum hair shedding, baldness, bald spot, all of the works, guys. If you have not yet subscribed though, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button down below, like up the video guys, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I'm also gonna be telling you the ways in which I'm growing back my hair loss. So yes guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about postpartum hair loss, postpartum hair shedding, losing your hair basically after pregnancy. So guys, a lot of you guys might not know, but I have been experiencing postpartum hair loss. This is not something new to me guys. I was expecting it. It happened with all of my pregnancies, unfortunately, and it's something that I come to terms with and come to expect. So I know that by the 3 or 4 months period I will start losing my hair. So when I started losing my hair at the 3.5 months mark, I was not surprised, people. I was, dismayed. I was upset, but I was not surprised to say the least. So persons might ask, so what is postpartum hair loss? What is postpartum hair shedding? So postpartum hair loss, as the name suggests, is when you lose your hair after you have the baby. So guys, don't worry, not everybody will experience postpartum hair loss, but if it is that you have a family member, whether it is your mother, your sister, your auntie, that experience postpartum hair loss, chances are you might too. So guys, I'm gonna show you what my hair is looking like right now. Zoom up camera, zoom up. So guys, this is what my hair is looking like right now. So guys, if you look closely, you notice that the two sides of my hair is much thinner than the rest of my hair. That's where I experience most of my hair loss. And I am 1 week less 6 months postpartum. So I'll be 6 months postpartum next week, and this is what it's looking like. My baby hair is growing in and all of that. It's looking good, people,
but not where I want it to be.
So guys, 3.5 months after having baby, and this is what I need you guys to know. Postpartum hair loss won't happen the same day. It won't happen after push out the baby so the next day you start losing hair. No, it really takes a little while. For me, it usually starts 3 to 4 months after giving birth. So at 3.5 months, guys, I started losing my hair, and I started losing them in clumps, guys. If it is that I didn't know what postpartum hair loss was or postpartum hair shedding was, I think that something was wrong with me. Like I have cancer and I'm gonna die. But guys, it can be very stressful, and it can be, if it is that you're not used to it or you don't know what it is, you might get a little bit panic. So I was just hoping that this postpartum I will not lose my hair, because sweet girl didn't do nothing much for my hair, right? For those who follow me, you might know that I did a semi-big chop when I was about 8 months or 7 months pregnant, because sweet girl wasn't she wasn't treating my hair good, people. My hair was breaking really, and the texture changed on me. It was extremely dry and I was really over it, so I decided to do a semi big chop. But as you can see, guys, my hair is basically growing back. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, I was really hoping that I wouldn't lose my hair. I knew that it would happen, but I was praying that, seeing that Araya didn't do much for the growth of my hair during pregnancy, because guys, they usually say that when you're pregnant you have the best hair, but that was not the case for me when I was pregnant with baby girl. With my first baby and with Kyra, beautiful hair. I loved my hair when I was pregnant with my first baby and with Kyra, but with Araya I dreaded it, guys. But you know, as I said before, it was genetics, or rather it's in my DNA to lose my hair postpartum, so it is the reason why I was losing the hair. So guys, I'm gonna be inserting some pictures to show you what my hair was looking like 3.5 months when I started losing my hair in clumps. Guys, I could not catch my hair in a ponytail. I could not catch my hair in one, because you know, I was really embarrassed because I didn't have any baby hair at all, guys. And as you can see, guys, though my hair is growing back, you can see that the front part of the hair is really thin, right? Because I literally lost the entire hair and it's growing back, right? So yes, guys, some of the tips that I use to ensure maximum hair growth or to limit my postpartum shedding is: one, hands in hair syndrome. I try not to put my hands in my hair as much as possible. That's not working out for me because I have hands in hair syndrome. But some of the things, guys, that I do is like I would twist my hair and try and leave it for 1 week or 2 weeks. I sometimes stretch my wash days now to a maximum of 2 weeks because I don't want to be all up in my hair. That I do, you guys might see me wearing my wig a lot. I try to wear my wig in order to limit me putting my hands in my hair, right? So protective style, guys. I twist up my hair, I plait up my hair, and I wear wigs, right? And another tip, guys, that I do is that I constantly massage the front of my hair right here with castor oil. So yes, guys, I use Jamaican black castor oil to massage the front of my hair either daily or every other day. I also use, guys, the raw aloe vera juice to massage the front of my hair, guys, so as to limit the shedding. Oh, guys, and another tip that I do, guys, I continue to take my prenatals. I don't see where it helped, but I continue to take my prenatals. People claim that if it is that you take your prenatal, it will limit people the amount of shedding.
And the last tip that I use, guys, every time I wash my hair, I trim it, guys.
I'm always someone that says elf over length, so I trim my hair every wash day. And guys, I don't take off 1 inch or 2 inch. It can be just a little bit, a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. If it is that I am combing my hair and it's coming out and I see that it's not coming out from the root but rather it's breaking, I trim off those ends, guys. So guys, those are some of the tips that I use to limit my postpartum hair loss. Guys, comment down below whether or not you have experienced postpartum hair shedding, if you are experiencing it, and what you have been doing to limit postpartum hair loss. Guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.